You're celebrating 10,000 installs. But what if I told you most of those users did nothing inside your app? No sign up, no purchase, no engagement, just installs. That's the difference between vanity metrics and real growth. And the only way to bridge that gap, in-app events. Hi, welcome to AppTrove's YouTube channel. In this video, we're breaking down what in-app events actually are, why they're critical for app marketers, and how platforms like AppTrove help you track what truly matters. What are in-app events? Let's simplify this. In-app events are specific actions users take inside your app after installing it. Not installs, not clicks, actual behavior. Things like signing up, completing onboarding, adding items to cart, making a purchase, watching content. These events tell you one thing. Is your app actually working for the user? Why installs are not enough? Installs tell you how many people showed up, but they don't tell you who stayed, who engaged, who converted, and that's a problem. Because if you're optimizing campaigns based only on installs, you're scaling traffic, not outcomes. Role of in-app events in growth. In-app events shift your focus from quantity to quality. Now, you can identify high-value users, understand user journeys, optimize campaigns based on real actions. Instead of asking, how many installs did we get? You start asking, which users are actually driving results? How AppTrove tracks in-app events. This is exactly where AppTrove comes in. AppTrove allows you to track post-install user behavior through in-app events and connect those actions directly to your campaigns. Here's how it works. When a user clicks on a campaign link powered by AppTrove's Unilink, they're routed seamlessly to the app. Once inside, every key action they take, whether it's a sign-up, purchase, or engagement, can be tracked as an in-app event. And the best part? These events are attributed back to the original campaign source. So now you don't just see installs, you see which campaigns are actually driving value. Real use case. Let's say you're running 2 ad campaigns. Campaign A brings 5,000 installs. Campaign B brings 2,000 installs. At first glance, Campaign A looks better. But when you track in-app events, you discover Campaign A users barely engage. Campaign B users complete onboarding and make purchases. Now the decision is obvious. And that clarity comes from in-app event tracking. Where most marketers go wrong, a common mistake is either not tracking enough events or tracking everything without a clear goal. With AppTrove, the focus is on tracking meaningful events, the ones that directly impact your business outcomes. Because data without direction is just noise. Bonus, fraud and data accuracy angle. Another critical factor, how reliable is your data? AppTrove also helps ensure that the events you're tracking are authentic, with built-in fraud detection systems. So the insights you're using to make decisions are actually trustworthy. So the next time you look at your campaign dashboard, don't stop at installs. Go deeper. Because installs tell you who came in, but in-app events tell you who actually mattered. If you want to understand mobile marketing concepts without the jargon, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're serious about tracking what users actually do inside your app, check out AppTrove from the link in the description. See you in the next one.